What is pay-as-you-earn tax? This is a form of tax payable by employees to KRA on the employment income that they receive from their employers. KRA uses graduating tax scale, which starts from 10%, then goes to 25%, and finally to 30% to calculate pay-as-you-earn. Any person earning less than 24,000 shillings per month is not required to pay-as-you-earn tax. This is because income from 0 up to 24,000 is taxed at a rate of 10%. What this means is that a person earning 24,000 shillings is supposed to pay a tax of 2,400, which is 10% of 24,000. However, since every taxpayer is given a tax relief to a tune of 2,400 Kenya shillings per month, and therefore any person whose tax burden per month is less than 2,400 is not supposed to pay this tax. Any income beyond that 2,333 is charged pay-as-you-earn at a rate of 30% per month. Fortunately, people living with disabilities are exempted from paying pay-as-you-earn tax for their first 150,000 Kenya shillings every month. Before computing pay-as-you-earn tax, employee is allowed to deduct some allowable expenses from the employment income. These are mortgage interest relief to a tune of 25,000 per month, which translates to 300,000 per year. Number 2, insurance premium relief, which is capped at 5,000 per month, translating to 60,000 per year. Finally, the personal relief amounting to a maximum of 2,400 Kenya shillings per month. Every company is required to pay-as-you-earn tax for its employees on a monthly basis. However, it is the responsibility of each employee to file pay-as-you-earn tax by 30th June of the following year after the financial year has ended. Any individual who fails to pay-as-you-earn tax and file a return of the same is subjected to a penalty of 2,000 shillings. There are 3 types of penalties. The first one is failure to file pay-as-you-earn tax on time, which attracts a penalty of 25% of the pay-as-you-earn payable, or Kenya shillings 10,000, whichever is higher. The second one is failure to remit the tax payable after filing on the KRA portal on time. This attracts a penalty of 5% of the amount of tax payable, and finally, a monthly fine of 1% interest on the tax payable for every month that it remains unpaid. We offer tax consulting services to all types of businesses, ranging from sole proprietorship, partnership, and limited liability companies. The lead managing partner for Certified Business Solutions, Dr. Alex Kamau, yours truly, has more than 15 years experience in tax, audit, and business management services. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send us a message on how you would want us to assist you on matters taxes.